As an architectural firm, we believe every space should embark peace, presence, and connectivity, which reflects in every of our projects.
Today we are going to discuss one of our projects, Anushakti, based in Udaipur. Hi, this is Sandeep Jain.
Hi, I am Anup Murdia, a partner in design and based in Udaipur.
The site is spreading over 3000 square feet area, which is surrounded by Aravalli hills, making it pretty interesting as a location. Our client Dr. Shakti Singh came up with brief requirement of 3 BHK bungalow with good landscape, and also he needed a very open plan with basic Vastu compliance. The plot size for the project was 45 into 70, which is facing northwest direction. Now, if we are talking about the site, we are entering from the northwest corner and the building placed on the rear side of the plot, providing a big chunk of landscape area in the front, which creates a buffer between the main street and the building block. As the client requirement was to have an open plan with optimal visual connectivity, for this purpose, only a master bedroom was placed on the ground floor with common areas like drawing, living, dining and kitchen. In order to enhance floor integration and utilizing vertical connectivity, staircase lobby has been used as a central design element, creating aesthetic duplex. The drawing room and living room have been planned in such a way that they are well connected to the landscape area and kitchen. As openness was the driving principle of the project, we have placed the staircase unit which divides formal and informal spaces, though making it interesting. The master bedroom is been placed on the southwest corner, which overlooks to the landscape area, provided with walk-in closet and lavish toilet on the other side of the bedroom. The kitchen and dining is placed on the rear side of the plot, as being the most active part of the house for the couple, and to have visual control over the house, it has been raised by few steps which overlooks to the landscape area and the informal and formal spaces. The first floor has 2 bedrooms, one for son, which is replicated as parents' bedroom, and a guest bedroom. These 2 bedrooms are connected by a bridge overlooking living below. The floor also accommodates a terrace with a scenic view of Aravallis and the landscape area.
Exterior and interior of the bungalow has been minimalist in design with material honesty. Exposed brickwork is used on facade with grey color texture, which gives an industrial look to the residence. Tapered frame in elevation provides with neutral shading and breaks the cube, making it more dynamic. Grandness of the house is increased by adding double-heighted wall with intricately carved charukhas. The main boundary gate has been designed in MS and wood in geometric pattern, and this pattern has been used in residence in various forms like flooring pattern, metal cutouts and veneer patterns, which creates harmony. In interiors, we have used exposed brickwork in different interior spaces to continue the harmony of exterior to interior. Like in drawing room, exposed brickwork is used intelligently with soft earthy colors and plain upholstery, giving the room contemporary modern finish. Staircase is being used as an important design element, framed in cantilevered wooden structure. It beautifully segregates formal from informal spaces without creating physical barriers. Entire residence has a subtle color palette, giving it a soothing nature in harmony with interior plantation. Italian marble Diana is used in flooring, adding grace and soft background with contrasting teak furniture. Living follow the same principle. Open kitchen resonates modern architecture style with clean details, and dining is zoned from kitchen through wooden ceiling and focal seating. Master bedroom is designed in a very simple manner with floating bed and exposed brick wall as a backdrop wall for the bed, making it bold and elegant. Here, fusion of Italian marble and wood is used in flooring. We believe every space should embark peace, presence and connectivity, which reflects in every of our projects.